Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are absolutely unpacking the biological mechanics behind chronic fatigue. Look, if you've ever felt like you're just running on fumes despite doing everything right, eating well, trying to sleep enough, you are in the exact right place.
We really have to start with what is probably the most frustrating question in modern wellness. Why are you still tired? Seriously, you down 3 cups of coffee, you try to magically catch up on 8 hours of sleep over the weekend using some very generous sleep math, and yet by 2 p.m. on Tuesday, you hit an absolute mental brick wall. So what's actually going on here?
To answer that, we're taking a zoom-in, zoom-out approach today. We'll quickly cover the modern fatigue epidemic, talk about bypassing the digestive bottleneck, zoom way in on the cellular energy engine, explore NAD+ and healthy aging, and finally, figure out your perfect treatment schedule. Let's get right into it.
Starting with Part 1, the modern fatigue epidemic, or what happens when rest simply isn't enough.
You see, our highly demanding careers and constant low-level stressors push our natural recovery mechanisms to the absolute limit. Chronic exhaustion is rarely just a lack of sleep. It's actually a deep biological starvation. Your cells are literally depleted of hydration and micronutrients, and they're suffering from metabolic imbalances. A quick 20-minute nap simply cannot fix a chemical deficit.
Which brings us to Part 2, bypassing the digestive bottleneck, also known as the bioavailability problem. Now you might be thinking, well, I'll just take a multivitamin. But your digestive tract is a harsh, aggressive bottleneck. It's kind of like an overzealous bouncer at a club. When you swallow a vitamin, stomach acids immediately start degrading it. Then it struggles through your intestinal barriers, and finally it hits the liver. Your liver acts as this massive filter in a process called the hepatic first pass effect, and it breaks down those active ingredients before they can ever even reach your bloodstream.
Because of that brutal digestive toll booth, the final math is honestly staggering. Your body usually absorbs less than 30% of the active ingredients in a standard oral multivitamin. Less than 30%. You're putting in 100% of the effort, but your cells are only getting a fraction of the reward. And this completely changes the equation when we compare oral supplements to IV therapy. Pills have incredibly low bioavailability because of all that digestive interference we just talked about. But IV therapy? That is the express lane. By introducing fluids and vitamins directly into your venous system, you bypass the gut entirely. This guarantees 100% bioavailability. It gives your body immediate systemic support and rapid cellular hydration. No roadblocks, no filters.
Let's move on to Part 3, the cellular energy engine, and fueling your body at the microscopic level.
Okay, let's zoom in, like literally inside your cells, to see what happens when they finally receive 100% of their required nutrients. Inside every single cell, you have mitochondria. You probably remember them from high school biology as the powerhouses of the cell, right? Well, think of them as your cellular engines. They take the food you eat and convert it into ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. ATP is basically the primary molecular currency for energy in your body. When your mitochondria are fully fueled, they crank out the ATP you need to finally eliminate that brain fog and clear out muscle fatigue. But here's the catch. This engine cannot run without oil, and that oil is NAD+. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide is a vital coenzyme found in absolutely every living cell. It's the fundamental catalyst for your energy production. But sadly, our natural levels of NAD+ plummet as we age. And to make matters worse, they get further drained by chronic stress, lack of sleep, and poor diet. When your NAD+ drops, your cellular engine just stalls out.
That brings us perfectly to Part 4, NAD+ and healthy aging. Meet the guardians of the genome.
If we really want to protect our bodies from long-term degradation, we have to look at restoring this deep cellular biochemistry. And this is where the science gets super fascinating. Your body has a family of proteins called sirtuins, literally known as the guardians of the genome, working right alongside enzymes called PARPs. Think of them as the master mechanics that fix your cellular engine. They regulate your health, manage inflammation, and repair damaged DNA. But, and this is a massive but here, they absolutely require NAD+ to activate. Without enough NAD+ in the tank, these highly protective mechanics just stay completely dormant, and the biological aging process actually accelerates.
So how do we fix NAD+ shortage? Well, science has given us highly efficient, clinically proven precursors like Niagen. Think of Niagen as a direct, specialized building block. It cleverly bypasses those complex metabolic bottlenecks we talked about to rapidly synthesize NAD+ right in your body. When you replenish those deep reserves, you reactivate your sirtuins, you boost cognitive focus, and you basically arm your cells to fight off daily oxidative stress. It is a real game changer.
All right, wrapping up the science with part 5, finding your perfect schedule and aligning your lifestyle with these protocols.
So, zooming back out to the real world, how do we practically apply all this? Because IV therapy provides such profound, direct support, how often you get it depends entirely on your biological age, your baseline health, and your physical demands. But generally, it falls into 3 distinct buckets. Weekly sessions are for acute needs. Think fighting off a nasty viral infection, recovering from a marathon, or dealing with extreme, crushing chronic fatigue. Bi-weekly sessions are really the sweet spot for optimizing focus and managing the stress of a heavy work week. And then monthly sessions, those act as a great general maintenance and wellness baseline for folks who are already in pretty great health. To put that into perspective, take a look at this breakdown. It brilliantly illustrates how to align your specific lifestyle with a protocol. For example, an endurance athlete might need weekly amino acids and magnesium during peak training season. Meanwhile, a highly stressed corporate executive might absolutely thrive on bi-weekly, high-dose vitamin C and B12. If your main goal is cellular optimization and anti-aging, a weekly or bi-weekly NAD+ and Niagen protocol is going to be your best bet. And for just general preventative health, a monthly broad-spectrum vitamin drip does the trick beautifully.
Now, you might be wondering, how long do these effects actually last? Typically, you're going to feel the physiological benefits for several days to up to 2 weeks. It scales naturally with your unique metabolic turnover rate, how hard you're working out, and your baseline hydration. Keep in mind, though, if you are severely deficient to begin with, you might metabolize these nutrients really quickly at first, so you might need an initial loading phase to build your levels up before you can comfortably settle into a more spaced-out maintenance routine. Okay, let's bring it all together and recap our key takeaways. By utilizing IV therapy, you are achieving 100% absorption, literally bypassing the body's digestive toll booth. That allows for highly targeted cellular fueling, giving your mitochondria the exact raw materials they need to make energy. By integrating things like NAD+ and its precursors, you are actively supporting deep, structural DNA repair. And lastly, by matching your biology to a personalized infusion schedule, you generate really unwavering internal health.
I want to leave you with a thought to really chew on today. Take a hard look at your own routine. Are you just putting a Band-Aid on the symptoms of your fatigue with yet another cup of coffee, or are you actually addressing the biological root of your exhaustion? It might just be time to ditch the temporary stimulants and embrace proactive, scientifically backed cellular optimization. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and I will catch you on the next one.